Hey everybody, I wanted to bring this car to you guys. I just finished it. I started this car probably about 3 years ago. It was about when they first came out. And I had almost everything done. And then the front leaf spring and the suspension broke into like 3 or 4 parts on me. And when that happened, I just put it back in the box and put it on the shelf and then didn't complete it. But I had like the engine done and I had the body painted and I had everything painted except for like the seats, and I didn't have the lights and stuff glued on. So I kind of just worked on this for a day and got the front suspension done and was able to complete it here. So I got probably about 2 other builds that I started and put in a box, put it away, and I kind of want to get a couple of those done. That way I can throw the box away and put some new kits in places. So let's show you what I did. This is the 29 Ford. It's one of the kits that's really hard to find. If I did this one all over again, and it wasn't that I did it so many years ago, I think I completely redone everything differently. The body was very flat color. I glossed it up with using that Future floor polish. I just brushed it on. It's not the best, but when you're in a pinch like that or something that you can't clear coat, it does work well. But there's some things on here that I didn't like. These pieces right here, they come with 2 sets. You get the channeled and the high boy, and it's a good thing because the one set for this style, I think this is the channeled one, it busted in 4 pieces, and I've really never had pieces break like that, but on this kit they did. And then on this one here, and what I did was I put 2 pieces of thin sheet styrene on there, and then I glued it with the, I think it was the Tamiya glue, and let it cure real well, and then I shaved off the excess, and I did that for the top piece as well. So I shaved those, got them cleaned up and glued together, and they actually held rather well. So that's how I fixed it, and I was thinking for a while how to do that, and that was the best idea I came up with. Since this kit was already done, I tried wiring up with a different type of wire for the spark plugs. I don't have no boots for this size wire. This is more the scale size versus what I use. I usually use a higher gauge wire, and it's not the scale, but these kind of look a little too, not to scale too, they look a little too small. Let me show you the interior. I tried to go with an old leather look, and it does kind of look the part, but there's some rough spots in there. But I gotta be careful picking this thing up. That wasn't good. Alright, short and sweet. But until next time, I'll be working on a couple of the kits, like I said, that I never finished. So the next one is the Tony Nance dragster, the third one in the kit. Early on in my videos, I was working on this one, and this one was so warped. It was almost as bad as a banana, and then I had to think of other ways to fix it. So it's kind of been sitting on the back burner for a while. Got a lot of decals done. There's only a few more pieces I got to do to it. That'll be in the next video. Until then, you guys have a good one, and I'll talk to you then.